Okay, hello there YouTube chums. I'm just out and about, just testing the new vlog kit. I've got a GoPro on the front, and if this makes its way onto YouTube, then this is for Charlie Roberts, my little grandson, who says, "Grandad, why aren't you doing YouTube videos anymore?" Well, the short answer is Charlie, because I haven't had the kit to do it, and I've got a brand new bike, as you can see. So if those of you are expecting me to see a ride in a GS, forget it. We've been doing a bit of road works here. There's a lot of grit and gravel on the road, loads of grit, so I'm just being a bit careful about what I'm doing. This is primarily a test to see how the mic works and everything on the bike. I'll see if it's alright, I'll put it on YouTube. If not, then I won't. Just, I've got a view, so off we go. A lot of cyclists around here as well, so you have to be on your mettle, as it were. Go there for breakfast sometimes, it's quite nice, quite pleasant. Can't see anything on the cross view, but that doesn't mean to say there isn't a little sports car around this corner. Off we go. So you'll see him riding my Ducati today rather than the GS. I part exchanged for the Ducati. I had a 1250 GS, which was very nice. Bloke on a bike, probably not see me. Blind right. I don't know what the sound's going to come out like, but we'll see when we get back. I've got one of the lav mics on with one of the little dead cats on it, and a big shout out to Mr Teapot0ne, who kindly put all his settings and how to set your mics up and stuff. I need to do a right now, so they come belching down here, so I'm just going to be extra careful. Clear on the left and clear on the right, so off we go.